this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can install VirtualBox on an Ubuntu platform. VirtualBox is a great tool for running multiple virtual operating systems. So let's get started. We will first go to the terminal, and then we are going to update the Ubuntu repository. So we say sudo apt-get updates. Then you enter your password. Okay, so the repository has been updated. We are now going to install the VirtualBox software. So let's proceed. Okay, so we'll use this command to install. So we say sudo apt-get install VirtualBox. And then we type Y to confirm. So after doing that, Ubuntu will install VirtualBox for us. Okay, now we have VirtualBox installed. So we'll proceed. The next thing we will do is to install the VirtualBox extension pack. The VirtualBox extension pack allows us to extend the functionality of the VirtualBox software. For example, it helps us to attach USB devices to the virtual environments. So let's install that. So we will say sudo apt-get install VirtualBox ext pack. So you will be given some notification here. So you just have to read, agree, and then press the OK button. So here, because you can't click, what you have to do is to use the tab button to select the OK. And then after that, you just hit the enter button. And then again here, you can use your left and then right keys, or also use the tab to select yes to accept the terms of the VirtualBox license. So I have accepted it. So I have highlighted a yes, and so I'll just hit enter to continue. Perfect. So now the extension pack is going to be installed. So let's wait and then get it done. Okay, so the extension pack has been successfully installed. So we are now ready to go. Okay, so let's go and then check the VirtualBox software app. I am on Ubuntu, so I'll just search for it somewhere here. I'll open it here. Let me go here. I'll search for it. Okay, perfect. So now I have it installed here. So this is how we install VirtualBox in an Ubuntu system. You can also watch my other tutorials on how to use VirtualBox to install operating systems. So I'll leave that link also in the description box for you to check it out. So that will be all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next session. Goodbye.